Hi boys and girls, good morning. I just wanted to take a minute to explain the sound Webquest to you so that you would understand how to do it. The first thing I want you to know is that there are 3 sections to the sound Webquest. You have this section here, you have this part here, along with this, that's the second section, and then the third section is here. So you're going to be visiting 3 different websites today. Let's talk about that first website that you're going to be visiting. All right, it says, and if you go to the science website, our science website, Scientist Roy and Scientist Soltis' website, you will find all the links that you need to get to each one of these sections on your Webquest. So the first button you're going to click on is sound and hearing. And you're going to investigate those different instruments and you're going to write down some answers here. It's very important that you read all of the directions as you're working today, okay? You need to read first before you ask us any questions. Make sure you've read all the directions, okay? So you're going to play the game first, and you're going to answer these questions here about soft and gentle, gentle and strong. And then there's a sorting game, and in that little square that I'm talking about, you'll notice that there is a button that says sort. So you're going to sort those instruments, okay, and you're going to play that game. And you're going to answer this question here. And then there's another button in the square that says quiz. You're going to take the quiz and you're going to write your score right here. Now, this next section could be a little tricky, so make sure you're paying attention. This down here is an example. You need to read this information down here so that you know all of the information you need to know in order to do the next section. If you look at the next page, you'll see that there are some different sounds here. Your job is to measure or estimate how many decibels those sounds would fall into, okay? So a whisper, where would a whisper be on the decibel levels? All right, a jet airplane, that's a lot louder, so where would it be on our decibel levels, okay? Then you're going to go and visit your next website. Your next website is called Sound Measurement, okay? You're going to hover, you're going to see this same chart here, and each of these individual lines, if you put your mouse over each one, you'll see some information pop up about different sounds that are at those different decibel levels. You need to hover over them until you find all of this information here. You're going to see if you got the decibel level correct. If you did, you're going to circle your answer. If you didn't, you're going to put a line through it and write the correct decibel answer next to it. Okay? And then you're going to answer this question here. The next step is to go to the third website, which can be found again on our science website. You are going to click on Wild Music, and you need to decide which section you want to visit. Once you decide which section you want to visit, you're going to circle that section, and you're going to write about what you saw and what you did as you explore that section. All right, so it's very important first that you read through all of the directions, okay? If you are ever confused about what you need to be doing, come check out the video again if you're not sure what you need to do, or just raise your hand and I can come around and help you. All right, guys, enjoy your Sound Webquest. Bye.